koso ewan kran kropom ha sei na we ye dom kuma no ye wo mrahye bedwafie ne Ghana fo bi ena keka won ho abom ade ko jan bi abo won sa no won night won agu monte so se wonom ye che ne nyina ye Occupy Bank of Ghana na wo kiremu a Dr. Ernest Addison ene na chitafo mienu eka ho no entutuye bi ankoye wo honti be yan company fo ngo nkonsa Adom Kasee ede ye kire nachi
Saise Bank of Ghana ebo kabe bro Ghana sika no opepepepe eduosia e wa fimpinu ene edunu mienu mu na afei bank kuro ya ehwe animu kwan se wode $US no opepe wo ha mienu ene edunum ekwakosi wono matena ye kese e wo Northridge ene nam so a ama domkuma e wo mrahye bedwamu ene NDC amanyoku na ka wo ho abomu a wo ye kire a watu din se Occupy Bank of Ghana police for akire mu se wono mu a wokoye wo ye kire no wono be hyase afri obra sports na wananti ewo emiamia na wode wananti no akwakowie ewo Independence Square ni nyina mu no empanyinfo a wonum edi oyekire yanim ekire mu se ono beto aso akọ Bank of Ghana no wode wonsem a watwere gu nkrata aso akọ empanyinfo ewo ho no oyekire Kesola to forcing eni empanyinfo afoforo a wonom eda akua ahodo ano na wodi animu na wokire mu se wonom ekọ Bank of Ghana honom a wonom bekwa akohia governor no anamusifo na wodi wansem a wakuchire gu nkrata so no akwa no oda na di se enya de se wonom aka wo baabi ada se wonom bekwa akura Bank of Ghana fo aso ye akwa ye ye kire no ewo honom
na ya mane bofo ani edi oye kire ye koso ye chi da chehene nana ya wasante edi ye kire ewo adabraka yenko ne ene no entwetwe nkomo hwe baabi akoduru da chen ma ha na sabre no emuti sei
ya mete wonka pempre se me no Kasee die ya babedru mu ewo adabraka NDC Occupy BoG Demo no ena akonya ba ya de asese so ya adabraka nipa abonchempu ewa ha no esewani asase wo ka kire asane se ne ye camera ne tienti wuntumi enhu akire saso ena wuntumi hu animu asane se uhwe nipa abonchempu ababegu a esa nipa edosu ye pa na asane se ayemra se bedwafie NDC amanyoko no ena chese wodi animu eyesa organization ntino obehunu se NDC members of parliament general secretary ni ade nyina ewa ha honorable okujeto ewa ha quickly mamini ni nkomo light one afi yam pepe mu honorable bi yaboko there
nyame Adom
me who say this demonstration have been one of but looking at the numbers they will say this is a very huge number aba police for my age as say BoG hono anya de ebe ma mkwan mo akọ because that is not the agreed truth so far apart from the police phone akano is there any motive apart from the police phone
Eddie Kain, as I say, you're that Ghana for us. Osha, the mammoth crowd, the way Ghana for appear a Doma Abba or Yachira way. I say, Abba Bonia Akufuado, Paomia administration. Osha, right from day one. A boy or share, even time or opposition, or catch yourself or bar within 18 months or better transforming Ghana. Baomiaka said they have the magic one or more solid economic management team. Now, so share the AC for the first time in the history of this country. We are talking about debt restructuring. And see that financial haircuts. And see that for the first time we are talking about Bank of Ghana what incur losses to the tune of 60.8 billion. And see that negative equity 55 billion. And in the midst of all of this, what depleting your national reserves? Who see new head office? I mean, can you believe that? At a time there's economic crisis, there's an economic meltdown. We are in total disarray. What say or minor? Minu Kasa say, onim say road contractors are buying Ediomoka 15 billion. Food suppliers, school feeding caterers. I mean, I buying the Obiaka, Kolebu, dialysis center everywhere. At this time, Enamusi, a new head office. And OSHA PPA approval, Bank of Ghana Nyaya. Omanka some initial budget. They value the cost of the project at $81 million. less than 8 months, Akwa could do $121 million. Minu Kasee say, if you add the cost of the land, which is another scandal on its own, Project Way is valued at $300 million. At a time, no reserves, massive losses, negative equity, which has led to massive inflation in excess of 40%. You are building a new office. I mean, are you crazy? What do you take the Ghanaian people for? Meanwhile, that office now moves, there is no urgency. It can wait. Osha other countries where they have responsible leaders, vigilant leaders. Yensha Australia, for example. Now Australia hosted Commonwealth Games. Omo said economic crisis now happen. Omo enisika aombe hosi. They pulled out of it. Australia is no longer hosting the Commonwealth Games. Osha United States of America. Omo order a new presidential jet. Economic crisis, Omo defer, almost say 5 years later. That is what responsible leaders do. It's here Banisana and Akufo-Addo, Baumia and Miss Governor Addison. Almost say head office way and one embassy at this time. I mean, how is that possible? I mean, it means you have no respect for us. It means you are just out to destroy this country. This is just the beginning. Until Governor Addison and his 2 deputies resign, we are also demanding, sir, head office project as I saw almost suspended immediately. They must drop that project now. And then we have petitioned the Office of Special Prosecutor. We are expecting them to immediately commence investigations. Addison must be investigated, must be prosecuted. And then on the larger governance issues, scandals are being released on virtually on the daily basis. Lutina Ekoso Wagana Airport Company. Yasase, we should be reserved for future expansion of our airport. Omo Air Chicha to a company called Heaven Builders. Shadia Akoso wa airport testing Frontiers. Omo charge $150 per test. Ghana Airport actually say they want only $10. Eti yenyina yemfa $10. And then the criminal organization, the Buccaneers called Frontiers, they and their cronies in government get to share $140. Eti, you see leadership that doesn't care about the people. Leadership that is just here to loot. Leadership that is here to plunder, to pillage. Eti, we are sending a very clear message. Yeah, we are not going to sit down and wait for a coup to take place. The people are going to rise up and demand change, demand radical solutions. We need a new leadership response, a new direction. Yan to me Kososa and say or minor. We must rise up today and fight for our generation and the generation that is next to come.
Okay, thank you. Fifi Kwete happens to be the General Secretary for the NDC. But Fifi Kwete, for the purposes of our viewers, any more from the voter region, so we will speak away. Fifi Marakuma Biao, me postpone the demonstration about 3 times. Demonstration Gaka police over Bank of Ghana of Magodia may have my go.
Demonstration minority caucus Oshima. Tama party into a Gogbana demonstration. Tanu Yotonga, Abba General Secretary, Yamanya, Yamano, Gogbon Fee to Tomiato. Yablin Remiato Oshima. Leo O Lon Regibagla Police Aqua, Niacoloro Nama.
Hello, Vayaba, Avivia, Awaba, NDC. Apart from all the minority decision, our man. Minority toward decision, if you have a NDC viewer, now demonstration, our Yemiko, Allah, a dual year, to Prola, Allah, 1 year. The true tuber demonstration, hello, and we are like a
demonstration. I love you. Alaba domo jule doama la pegaba na mo ma demonstrate wa ngbagla vajo tabo no na mo mo popo no adogo domo ju ala domo no wa hi adogo agbara du kwa huncho wana mo akipe bu ka go ngbagla re vajo da etu akata ba nyonyo hi aba what the shaman waponu what demonstrate
akpa nje fifi kwete ono general secretary edema NDC amanoko no na ye ni atutwem nje mamenya wa ye die omo check up se be demonstration be bia betofo bia ye ba ma so ate